Okay, guys, while that other is flashing, someone said in my A to Z reborn group to try mixing the thinning medium with some thinner and apply. So I'm going to try that. I'm actually going to try two things. You see this is a separate part, and yeah, I've wrote on them. So up here I'm going to apply the thinning medium, the Kebelka thinning medium with the thinner only, and pounce it here. And then here I'm going to try the thinning medium with some thinner and with a little of their matte. Is this matte? No, that's texture. With a little of their matte. And see how that goes. So let's get to it. We're going to, of course, y'all just seen me stir this, so it's still stirred up. I just need a little. So I'm just gonna put just a tad right here, and about that much more thin and medium. And let's mix this together really well. Which, if it works like this, that could possibly be a very good thing, because it means you could stretch out the thinner that you're using. I know thin and medium normally with the Genesis, I just take it straight from the jar right onto the vinyl. So this is mixed pretty creamy. It looks nice, a little watery consistency. I'm going to go ahead and tear the sponge again. So I got a clean, whoops, a clean surface to work with. So we're going to put this one right here. Make sure I get plenty of the product on. I'm also going to put a little bit on my, and I'm going to pounce it just like I would. Okay, now tear the sponge. So I've got a clean surface, and let me grab a clean brush. Here's the brush I just used. Here's the brush I'm switching to. So I have heard that when you're mixing the matte, you should mix the matte first, and it takes very little matte. So I'm just going to take a little dab of matte with a little dab of thinner. Not thinning medium, but thinner, odorless thinner. And I'm going to mix this up really good, creamy, no lumps, no bumps. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and put this right into the thin and medium mixture that I had used here at the top, and we'll see how that works. Get it all in there. I'm going to stir this extra good, and then we're going to apply it. Now I will say that I noticed right away that it doesn't look as oily. It looks more shiny. Let's just go right over top of the words. It looks more shiny, like milk, like very thin milk, skim milk. Okay, I'm going to let this flash off, and then I'm going to bake it, and we will come back and see how it looks. Just experimenting, guys, just experimenting. I have lots of other things to experiment with, but this is what I have today.